Had these turned up in the post from eBay. Nice Micron exhaust. Hopefully it'll fit on nicely. Beautiful. Chuffed about that. It saves me a lot of work. It's going to be underslung, but hey, it's going to be cool. Got the engine in now. Battery box made as sort. Got some finishing touches, but I just got to get it in there for now. I've built manifolds for the carburetors to go on. Not the best job in the world, but I think they're going to work. The electrics are all in there, and I got a spark. Next up is to get the electrics done properly. Put all the bits and bobs on there, like the gear change, front brake cable, clutch cable, the old Micron exhaust. Outside of the bike. I'm outside of the bike now. I'm gonna give it a test drive. It's looking bodged up, but everything is on. We got a spark, fuel's on. I've got the fuel line in. T-piece it off. That's all on. Exhaust is bolted up here. Obviously just a bit of string on there at the moment. Make a bracket for that. I've got two chokes to put on, that one, and there's one underneath which sticks against that little washer there. Drop the bloody camera. Battery is in there. Made a little bracket up for it now. Might modify that again, but it's okay for now. CDI box in, and the solenoids in. There's no electric wired up to charge the battery. I would just charge the battery up before I use the bike. So it is a case of just pushing the button and see what happens. Oh my god, that's interesting. Get it warmed up. Just had a delivery, new shocks ready for the bike. Awesome. There we go. I like that. And they're adjustable. Obviously you can adjust the preload, but also adjust the lower, which is cool. She's running. The exhaust fell off just now. I just had to put a bit of weld on there. But we're going to go for a test ride now and see if we've got any teething issues. Here we go. Going very well. That's good. good on the top end. Yeah. Sounds like it's choking. Choking mid-range. Let's lower the needles. So I drop the needles down 2 on the clips to make them leaner. They're actually down as far as they go. We'll see. We'll see how it is. Now I think that's main jet. Main jets I think are maybe too big. So I ain't got no jets on me. I will have to look into that. But it's going along, which is a bonus. I think. Sounds okay, ticking over a bit. When you go flat out, it's missing a bit now actually. Just, yeah, maybe it's too lean on the needle now. But hey, I got somewhere with it. Back home, more tinkering. More tinkering and she'll be good, hopefully. But I tell you what, I haven't checked the valves. I checked the clearance, but this engine come out of an old bike. It could be the valves are blown back by a little bit as well. Maybe take the head off as well if I get time. Check the valves.